Get prepared. Shh. Listen carefully and pay attention.
Welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I have a very beautiful clothes. You can see it is very beautiful. This is designed sequin. I'm going to use it to make a simple and gorgeous A-line skirt. So my client is, I wouldn't say she's fat, she's big, and she is gorgeous. So the measurements you need for this skirts, for A-line skirt, is your waist, your high waist, your waist, the hip, and the length. Isn't that simple? Just these 4 measurements are okay for this pattern I'm going to draft now. So the first thing I'm going to measure out is the length, which is at 46, and I have to add extra 1 inch, which will now give me 47, and I mark. So this is my 47. I mark my 47 here. Then I'll mark the hip, and the hip, because my client is huge, she's tall, her hip is gonna fall on 11, not 10, not 10. An average person's hip is at 10, but her own is at 11. So, and I'm gonna do the knee, which I'll keep at 22. Yes, 22. This is 11, this is 11 also. If it is a normal average height person, this should be 10 and this should be 10. So let's go down to the measurements now. The waist is 58. So because my fabric stretches, I'm not doing it on the dot. You can see it stretches very, very well. So I'll reduce like 1.5 from every measurement I'm taking now. This is the get measurement. So 58, her waist divided by 4 will give me 14.5. But if I mark this 14.5, the waist will be loose. It will be oversized. Therefore, I'm reducing it by 1.5, which will now give me 13. So I mark it at 13. Yeah. And the hip is 59, let's approximate it to 60, which will give us 15 when we divide it by 4. So I reduce it also by 1.5, which will now give me 13.5, and I mark. So because here is at 13, I'll do the knee at 13. But I think I'll have to reduce a little bit because my client is on the big side. That is, I mean the waist is big. Okay, so I'll make here, instead of 13, I'll make it 12.5 so that it will give us a mermaid shape. So I join the cardinal points to give us our skirt. And here, okay, wait a little bit. Let me get my wood. A straight ruler. We're gonna join here to get it straightened. So this is it. We now have a very fine skirt now. So it is time to cut. Okay, there's little tricks I do for my skirts. Because this is the front, after cutting everything, I'll have to reduce here by half or 1 inch so that it will give a very perfect pattern for the tummy. So let's cut. Okay, you can see our fine pattern. Very simple and easy. So please, if you like what I'm doing here, please, I'd like you to give me thumbs up, subscribe to the subscription button below, and please share my video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much. So it is time to draft the back piece. I've folded my fabric again for the back piece, and I have to take this pattern, place it on top for the back piece. Make sure you arrange everything to be in place. Do not be in a hurry. If not, scatter the pattern. Okay, I'm done with the arrangement and placing. The back piece is less stressful and it is not difficult, not much to do. I'll just mark here to the end. Remember, it won't have any gap because my fabric stretches, and I mark here the same thing. Then when I come to this place, I don't know yet if I'm gonna fix a zip, but let's just do the allowance at let's just do the allowance at 1 inch for the back. Maybe it will have zipper, just 1 inch like this. And for here, I'm gonna add a little tail. Okay, let me use my ruler so it will give me a perfect line. See, I didn't get it right. Using my ruler, I have a better straight line. Then from here, I'll join it and everything is done. I am done. So it is time to cut. Okay, no. I'm not yet done. Yes, it has to come up this way. By this is the side and this is the center. So by this side is gonna be equal, but by this center is gonna be higher by 1 inch. Okay, so it is time to cut. Okay, this is the pattern. This is the front pattern. This is the front pattern, and this is the back pattern. So thank you very much for coming back to my channel. Thank you. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.